How's it going, YouTube? This is Alex coming at you live. It has been a minute since my last video. I have been extremely busy, as many of you know. So there is just so much going on with cryptocurrency. I will be releasing regular videos and ready to get you on board, if you aren't already, into the world of cryptocurrency in a profitable, easy, and efficient way. So I'm here and we are going to set up our first miner. No, you don't need an expensive GPU. You don't need an expensive motherboard and thousands of dollars of material. You just need the computer you're watching this on. If you aren't, go grab a computer, turn this video back on, and we'll get started. Okay, this tutorial today will cover Monero. Now, you can mine any coin, technically, with Mining Pool Hub, which we will be using. It's www.miningpoolhub.com. Okay, so we're going to head over to the main screen here. And this will be kind of a lengthy tutorial, but it will cover every single step that you will need to know. And you'll be mining in about, however long this video takes, you'll be mining in less than that. So let's get started. We're going to go with the sign up. So we're going to sign up a brand new account. And then set a PIN. You're going to want to remember this. And with doing so, you'll be able to withdraw coins, as well as change settings on your portal. Okay, account may not be created if the email account is already in use. So BillyBobJoe@gmail. Hopefully he's not mining in the pool, and we'll get started. Okay, so you want to go to sign up. And while I'm doing this, I just want to say, hope everyone has been great. I know many of you have been following me on Twitter, StockTwits, and YouTube. If you don't follow me on Twitter already, it's Winning Trades for You, and that's a 4 and then U, and that is my main Twitter account. So we're going to go over to Monero coin. Again, you can pick any of those coins, but this is the most efficient CPU mining coin in the pool, in my opinion, besides Electroneum and Music Coin. So once you're over there, make sure you enable the OTP setting. So you'll go enable OTP. It's two-factor identification. You'll just scan the code and have the Google identification. So what we want to do first is set up a worker. The way you can see a worker is like a little miner in a mine.
Woo-wee! Can you imagine doing this all day long? For 10 to 12 hours a day? I don't know how the old timers did it.
You don't pay him a cent. So, worker name. Let's go with LeBron James. And set the password to X. It's going to be a general password of use. So we're going to be going BillyBobJoe.LeBronJames. Whatever you set as your username, it's going to be there, and then your worker name is going to be there with a period in the middle. In a little bit, you'll know why that's so important. We're going to go monitor on, update workers. Boom. We got ourselves a free worker working on the payroll for absolutely zero. So we're going to go back to the Monero pool. We're going to go down, and what we are going to be downloading today is the Claymore CryptoNote Windows CPU Miner. If you have a Mac or Linux, I will be releasing videos to get you started and going at it with the congruent system. So we're going to be heading over, and then this is the current system, CPU Miner. It is from Claymore. It is stable. It is virus free. Promise you that. And then you want to go on that mega link. Okay, if you're using Chrome, it might try to block this, and I'll show you a workaround that because it's a script file. We're going to go download as zip up here in the right hand corner. So it's going to get the newest one, hopefully. the 3.9, and then this is why you want to mine Monero. If you've never been over to walletinvestor.com, it goes over the forecast of each coin in their analysis and their algorithms. Okay, and as you can see, it gives a 5-year, 1-year, 6-month, 3-month, 14-day. Now Monero, as you see here, it has a forecast of 22% growth coming up in 14-day, but 687% in 5-year growth. And it gives the information why, blah blah blah. You can go check this. This will be in the description for y'all. Okay. I'm trying to get you the most profitable for the bang of the buck. And if you don't have WinZip, you are gonna want to get the free trial just for the time period of mining or of downloading the miner on your computer. You want to right click on your desktop and you want to go new folder, and we're going to name this folder, you can name it pretty much anything you want. It's going to be Monero Miner, and again, you can set that anything you want. So this is what you just downloaded, right? It's in your WinRAR. It will be like this, and you want to go extract to. Okay. And then you'll go down, you'll go to desktop, and you'll select that folder, Monero Miner. Boom. I see that it downloaded all of them. So if it does this to you, you just want to click on the newest version, 3.9. And then you want to go extract to. Just do the same thing. So boom, we'll just go back and we see that 3.9. This is the ultimatum here. Oh dang, 3.9. Okay, so here's your mining script. This is the brain of your miner. Okay, so what you see here is epools, config, history, license, blah blah blah. Okay, and then readme. It's important to read, you know, what you're doing, because you can do little configurations and whatnot. If you guys want to know anything or have any questions, just hit up the comment section. So you want to open the main application NSCPU miner 64. Okay, so it opened up Dwarf Pool, and it will ask for Windows Security Alert. You want to select private network so it can use your command prompt, because that's what it runs off of. Okay, so it will be preloaded with a general wallet, and it won't be yours. So take that config file and say, see you later. We only want this. You want to edit the epools. Now you'll look through this list and you'll see we're not in Crypto Pool, we're not in Monero Pool, not in Crypto Night. We are in Mining Pool Hub, and it says warning. You want to take away that hash to get this active. So delete that. This is us, and we are in the zone. Now this is why you set up one of those workers, okay? And this is also probably one of the most important part of this video. This aligns, this is what we are mining. Now this SSL, it just means that it's going to be in a privatized mining pendulum, so it won't report any type of IP. Me, on the other hand, I don't care. I will delete it, because I feel like I get a better hash rate when I delete it, but you can keep it. So you want to go back to that Mining Pool Hub, okay? Click on workers. This is where that Billy Bob Joe LeBron James guy is, okay? And your password is X. Now that is configured, and it, even if someone else uses it, they're going to be mining to your wallet. So X, good for if they want to add on to your hash power to them. So you're logging your worker, you want to go your username, so Billy Bob Joe, and then period LeBron James. It's important you get this right, because it will mess up everything. So you want it to look just like this, guys, okay? You want to ignore all three of these, those won't be active, and you want to exit out of there. So this is how your finalized setup should look, with that configured epools, start, and everything that is included. Okay, so we will start the process. Get it started, press enter, and it will start automatically. Okay, one pool specified, we are set. And then if you ever want to check it, press S for statistics, and you'll get the statistics in live time. 144 hash per second, so you don't see them, but they are in the background. Hashes, like algorithms that are being solved and checked. I mean, you sit back, have a Coke, have a Cheetos, have Cheez-Its. I actually like Cheez-Its better than Cheetos, but that's it, guys. Now you can just minimize this, make sure it's running, and make sure you know where this file is. If you want to make it as easy as possible, just drag this 3.9 right into your desktop, because it's open. Oh, it's open. So make sure, if you want to do this portion and make it easy on you, just exit out of that, and you'll drag this right over to the desktop. You can even rename it Monero. Boom, Monero. That's it. And then you'll know where it is. We don't even need this anymore. Delete. And then you want to open Monero, and then open start. And again, so in my other desktop, enter. Boom, we're in again. We're ready to go. Again, you can minimize it. You can go play your games and trade and do whatever you need to do. It won't mess up your computer, and it won't mess up your speed. Now, to optimize this, if you're not happy already with the hash rate, you want to go and search for Task Manager. Okay, so you'll see all this stuff. Obviously, I'm getting a pretty good hash rate for recording as well. Now, CPU, you want to click on CPU, and you'll see this is your miner working right now. It's using 50% of my CPU right now. Right click and go to details. Okay, so you'll see it right here. Right click it again and set priority and set it to high, and that will make it. And this is, you know, if you want to use your computer, you can set it to normal, and you know, it won't affect it at all. But if you're letting it sit for the night, sit for 24 hours, sit for a week, sit for a month, put it in high and let it go into overdrive, because you see that hash rate difference. Okay, again, type S for statistics, and where do you check what you mined? Where the heck do I go? Mining Pool Hub. You just go over to balances. It will take about 20 minutes to start syncing in for successfully mined hashes. 20 minutes it's going to take to completely sync up, and you'll see your hash rate here. You'll see the pool hash rate here, and you'll see the net hash rate, and then you'll see all the specifics. Okay. And what you can do from there is boundless. So there's graphs for you, there's transactions. Give it 20-30 minutes and you'll be set. Hopefully you're on the mining gang, I should say, the mining crew by the time you watch this video. And thank you so much for watching. It's honestly a pleasure I could show you this, because there will be new videos posted regularly, and they will be very interesting and very, very helpful. Subscribe, like, comment if you liked it, if you have any questions, or if you just want to say hey. Thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.